So you're working a crazy amount of hours in your cleaning business and you're ready to have the lifestyle that you wanted when you first thought about the business. And there's a great chance you're in this position because our data is showing that well over 70% of cleaning company owners are in this exact position where you're really good at the service delivery side of things, right? That's not the problem. The clients are happy, you've got a great reputation, you're delivering an amazing service, but you're also working a crazy amount of hours. Maybe you're stuck on the tools and you don't want to be, right? You're not mop free, for example. You're doing a lot of the cleaning. Or maybe you just don't have enough time to spend with your kids, your family, right? So how are you going to know what it's like to run a cleaning business 10 times the size if you've never done it before? There's so many people that are stuck in this position at the moment. So what's the answer? The answer is you got to do something differently. And I know that's really easy to say, and I know it feels like, okay, yeah, really good advice, Jamie, but here's the truth. Nothing changes if nothing changes, right? So if you're in that position, if you're feeling stressed to the eyeballs, you're feeling like there's just no way out of this situation, I promise you there is. We work with people in this position all the time. All the time. I've spoken to a whole myriad of different people from all over the different places in the UK, even abroad, people in the US going through the exact same thing. It's a typical part, it's one of those big bottlenecks of your cleaning business. But if you feel like you're stuck and you can never get out of it, that's not true. You can absolutely get out of it. You just might need a little bit of help putting a strategy together